Right, so today I'll be showing you how to hide your mobile hotspot on your Samsung Galaxy S25. Now, I'm using the Ultra, but this works on all the S25 models. So you can actually go ahead and hide your mobile hotspot so that people and devices scanning for available Wi-Fi networks don't see your mobile hotspot. So to do that, just go into Settings. Under Settings, scroll down to, don't even scroll down, just go to Connections. And then under Connections, go to Mobile Hotspot and Tethering, and then go to Mobile Hotspot. Now, first, make sure hotspot is enabled. And then you want to go and tap on Band. And if you tap on Band, it opens up the configuration page and then exposes this setting here called Advanced. So you tap on Advanced, it opens up the advanced settings for hotspot, and you should see hidden network. So it says your mobile hotspot's name won't appear in the list of available Wi-Fi networks. So you want to enable that and then tap on Save. Okay, so once you do that, now it means your mobile hotspot will disappear and every other device scanning for available hotspot networks to connect to will not see your hotspot. But then you might want to ask yourself, then how will other people connect to your hotspot? Now, to connect a phone to your S25 hidden hotspot, all you have to do is give them a QR code. So you can go to Connections, Mobile Hotspot, and then you should see QR code at the bottom there. And if you tap on that, it generates a QR code for your hotspot. So anyone with a phone can scan this QR code and connect to your hotspot. Alternatively, if you're using a computer to connect, then you might want to check some tutorials I've done on how to connect a Windows computer to a hidden Wi-Fi network, because this is essentially just a hidden Wi-Fi network. And also you can check, if you have Mac, how to connect your Mac to a hidden Wi-Fi network. So that will be the way to connect to a hidden hotspot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.